Yo, what's up everybody? It's Justin Cruz here, and my goal is to teach you the very basics of AI for absolute beginners. So, let's jump in. But first, let's dive into AI, what it is and how it works, in this first video. Let's do this with no confusing jargon, no tech degree required. We're talking practical stuff you can start using right now. From AI that writes your emails to AI that creates stunning artwork and so much more. So, let's jump in. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is AI? In a nutshell, AI, or artificial intelligence, is basically teaching computers to think and learn like humans, but way faster. Think about it like this. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, that's AI at work. When Spotify nails the perfect song recommendation, that's AI too. It's all about patterns and data. AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of information to learn and make predictions. The more data they have, the smarter they get. It's like how you get better at a video game the more you play. You start to recognize patterns, anticipate moves, and make decisions based on your experience. AI does the same thing, but on a massive scale. Here's the thing about AI, it's not some futuristic technology that's years away. You're already using it every single day, probably without even realizing it. Remember that Netflix recommendation that was so on point you had to tell someone about it? Yep, that was AI working its magic behind the scenes. Ever scrolled through your social media feed and wondered how the algorithm seems to know exactly what you want to see, even if it's a little creepy? Again, that's AI curating your experience based on your past behavior, likes, and interests. And hey, remember that time you asked Siri or Alexa for directions or to set a reminder? That's AI too. AI is being used to create realistic-looking images and videos, write music, even generate entire articles and stories. So instead of being intimidated by it, let's embrace the possibilities and see how we can use these tools to our advantage. Alright, so we've talked about what AI is and how it's already all around us. Now, let's get to the good stuff. How you can actually start using AI today to make your life easier, more productive, and maybe even a little more fun. First up, let's talk about AI for writing. If you've ever struggled with writer's block, ChatGPT is an absolute game changer. Seriously, this thing can write anything from emails and social media posts to full-blown articles, and even creative stories. It's like having a personal copywriter on demand. And if you're looking to polish your grammar and writing style, Grammarly is like having a super-powered editor on your shoulder 24/7. Next, let's get visual. For all you creative folks out there, AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E are absolutely blowing minds. You literally type in a text description of what you want to create, and these AI tools will generate stunningly realistic images. And speaking of magic, AI video tools are taking things to a whole other level. Runway ML and Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos with ease, even if you have zero video editing experience. Tools like Notion AI and Jasper AI are like having a personal assistant for your work and life. Now I know what you might be thinking. This AI stuff sounds cool and all, but is it really for me? And the answer is a resounding yes. AI isn't just for tech geniuses or big corporations, it's for everyone. It's about empowering individuals, unleashing creativity, and making our lives easier and more fulfilling. The truth is, AI is already transforming industries left and right, from healthcare and finance to education and entertainment. And as AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the possibilities are literally endless. Think about it. What if you could use AI to automate your tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on your passions? What if you could use AI to generate creative ideas, unlock new levels of artistic expression, or build a successful business from the ground up? And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of AI to the mind-blowing tools you can start using right now. But here's the thing. Knowledge is power, but only if you put it into action. Don't let this information just sit there. Go out and explore the world of AI for yourself. Try out some of the tools we talked about, experiment with different prompts and ideas, and see what incredible things you can create. Alright, so we just scratched the surface of AI, but hopefully this gave you a good starting point. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't this big, scary tech monster, it's a tool. So, my goal is to teach you how to use AI for beginners through my videos for free. We will start with the very basics, progress slowly and together as we move forward. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly AI content. Keep an eye out for more AI-focused videos coming soon, and as always, thanks for watching.